Fox News Flash top entertainment and celebrity headlines are here. Check out what clicked this week in entertainment. The accidental shooting on the set of the upcoming Western film Rust could result in criminal charges, according to a district attorney. Mary Carmack, Altuis of New Mexico's 1st District told the New York Times that they haven't ruled out anything when it comes to the future of the case. On Thursday, actor Alec Baldwin was rehearsing a scene for the film outside of Santa Fe when he discharged a firearm he was told was cold or unloaded. A projectile from the gun struck and ultimately killed cinematographer Halyna Hutchins. Director Joel Souza was also injured but has since been released from the hospital. Famed lawyer says he'd be shocked if involuntary manslaughter not brought in Baldwin Rust shooting everything at this point, including criminal charges, is on the table, Carmack, Altuis told The Times. An accidental shooting on the set of the movie Rust in Santa Fe could result in criminal charges, according to the district attorney. AP photo/JC Hong. It's still unclear what was loaded into the gun at the time of the shooting, and the district attorney said the authorities are focusing on ballistics to determine what was loaded into the gun, according to The Times. The firearm was handed to Baldwin by Rust assistant director Dave Halls, who believed the gun was cold, meaning he believed it contained no form of ammunition or blanks. The investigation is also trying to determine who loaded the gun, the outlet reports. Alec Baldwin's Rust shooting being independently investigated by Gloria Allred. Many unanswered questions. There were an enormous amount of bullets on this set, and we need to find out what kinds they were, she explained. A warrant obtained by Fox News on Tuesday revealed that authorities collected ammunition and multiple firearms from the set amid their investigation, though the inventory did not specify the type of ammunition found. In the days since the incident, the firearm that was discharged has been referred to as a prop gun, but Carmack, Altuis took issue with the term. Cinematographer Halyna Hutchins was killed by a projectile that was fired from a firearm. Photo by Fred Hayes/Getty Images for Indy. It was a legit gun, she said, though did not mention a specific kind. It was an antique, era-appropriate gun. Rust is a Western genre film starring Baldwin and supernatural alum Jensen Ackles. People that were on the set of the film at the time of the shooting are still being interviewed by detectives, the DA said. Rust film armorer Hannah Gutierrez Reed faces eviction from Arizona landlady. I want her out. It's probably weeks, if not months. A follow-up investigation that we're going to need to get to the point of charging, she added. Similarly, Fox News was recently told by the Santa Fe medical examiner coroner that the Hutchins autopsy could take 6 to 10 weeks or more. Carmack, Altuis told The Times that she was unaware of reports that have circulated indicating that crew members used the weapons for leisure shooting in the hours before the incident, calling such reports unconfirmed. Alec Baldwin was handed the firearm by assistant director Dave Halls, who believed there was no ammunition loaded. IMDb/Getty Images. She also said that the case is among the most challenging in Santa Fe in recent memory. We have complex cases all the time, she said. But this kind of complex case, with these kinds of prominent people, no. The DA will speak with reporters on Wednesday morning alongside Sheriff Adon Mendoza. Click here to get the Fox News app. Fox News has reached out to Carmack, Altuis for further comment. It's unclear who charges would be filed against, though some think Baldwin could face charges. Click here to sign up for our entertainment newsletter. Alec Baldwin is presumably in charge because Hess the producer and has a great voice on the budget here. Famed criminal defense lawyer Mark Garagos told Fox News. I guarantee you they're also looking at whether or not people were shaving money or trying to cut costs and whether this is one of the results of that. He also mentioned that he would be shocked if there wasn't an involuntary manslaughter charge brought in this case. No charges have been filed in the Rust shooting incident as of yet. Prosecutors and law enforcement officers are expected to provide an update on the investigation Wednesday.